Zdravo, Slovenia. My name is Ishmael Beah. I am an international best-selling author, but also a former child soldier from Sierre Leone and a UNICEF ambassador and advocate for children affected by war. I would describe my childhood in perhaps two phases. One was a very, very early part of it, where I grew up in a very simple, beautiful life, in a village life. I went to school, loved Shakespeare, American hip-hop, and second part of it, which took most of my childhood, was one when the war broke out. And I lost everything and I had to fight in the war as a child. UNICEF has changed my life tremendously. Hvala, Slovenia. It's been a wonderful pleasure to be in your country and to see the wonderful contributions and work that you're doing to help children around the world. I am an example of what that support does, and so thank you. And keep doing your wonderful work to impact the world.